I don't want to build square houses to solve the housing crisis. I want to help fix this problem in a beautiful way. Hi, my name is Frank. I'm the founder and creative director of 3D PHC, and that's 3D Printed Homes Corporation. We founded ourselves in last year because we realized that the 3D printing industry can really innovate the way that we build structures, and that just turned me on to the idea that not only could I build a really strong company in an innovative industry, but we have the opportunity to really help a lot of people who may not be able to afford homes now, or say we can't build homes fast enough to house everybody. This industry is poised to solve a lot of those problems. We can build less expensive, using less material, and we can build for longevity, we can build for aesthetics. So our mission here at 3D PHC is to decrease the cost of building structures, making home ownership more affordable to more people to help solve the housing crisis that the world is seeing today. The problem with housing these days, in our opinion, is cash. It's a cash problem. You can't build a house fast enough to make it affordable to ordinary people who just go work your 8 hours a day and bring home your paycheck. You know, it's hard enough to save up money for the small things like a boat or a trailer or a vacation. Never mind putting aside a whole bunch of money to then buy houses that are only increasing in cost nowadays. So the solution is, how do we make house building, how do we make home building or structure building, how do we make that cheaper? And the way we make that cheaper is through this new technology, 3D printed construction. You're not using things like forms, you're using a lot less manpower, you're using a lot less energy, and the big payoff is that you can do it a lot quicker. You know, if you're building a house in a year or 8 months, that's really fast. So imagine you can take that build time and take that down into a couple of days or a week. You know, if you can build a house even in 2 or 3 weeks, from nothing on the ground to a completed home that you can live comfortably in that little of time, that factor alone, you're gonna save a lot of money, and you're gonna make the ability to own a home available to a lot more people.